minus 28? Yes. 8 minus 8, 0. 5 minus 2 is?
30.
So 30. Number of girls are 30. Now, I just want the ratio of girls. So always we write 30 number of girls upon whole part. The whole part is 58. So we will write 38 upon 58 is our ratio for the girls. If I will ask for the ratio for the boys, so you are going to write 28 upon 58. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the ratio of the number of bad pencils to that of good pencils produced in a factory is 1:9. Means 9 में से जो हमारा denominator होता है, you know, numerator and denominator, ratio is just like a upgrade portion of fraction. Fraction we have studied numerator and denominator. So it is a detailed portion for ratio and proportion. Okay. So in ratio also we are having numerator and denominator, right? Now, if I will say, if you want to find out the ratio of the number of the bad pencil to that of good pencil produced in a factory. So number of the good pencils are 9. Out of 9, 1 pencil is bad. So can you tell me the ratio for this? In numerator, we write the number and denominator, we write the whole. So number of pencils are 9. 9 में से कितनी खराब है? How many are bad?
1.
1. So ratio will be 1 upon 9.
Yes.
The ratio will be 1 upon 9. Clear? So this is the ratio and proportion we used to. Okay. Now tell me the properties. What are the properties for this? As you have already done. So you know the properties of ratio and proportion?
No.
No? Simple होता है. Means properties में ये होता है कि it should not be. Always means A, the symbol of ratio, you know. A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. If I am writing A upon B is equal to C upon D. So they should be equal, equalized. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Isn't it? Okay. So this is the ratio and ratio and proportion. Ratio means when we multiply the same number and its value remains unchanged. Isn't it? If the two terms of the ratio are multiplied by the same number, then its value remains unchanged. This is called the ratio. Okay. Now, if I'll give you one question, then only we can understand. A very easy question I'm going to give you. Okay. Now, ratio proportion में simplest form are simplest form is quite important कि we have to give in the simplest form. If I'll give you, write down 60 ratio 72. So how you will write first, tell me. 60 ratio 72. How you are going to write it? Just write and show me. How you are going to write 60 ratio 72. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I want its simplest form, I want its simplest form. So how you are going to solve it? There are no simplest form means you have to simplify it. है ना? You know about the LCM? LCM आता है ना? Yes. See, we can solve in the two ways. One, by the simple reading the table and simplify, or by find out the HCF and LCM. Now, you know 60 and 72 both are the even numbers. Okay, they both are divisible by 2. Even numbers are always divisible by 2. Okay, so we can cut the 60 by 2 also, and we can cut 72 by itself also. Okay, so simplification means we want the easiest answer for this. Jitna jada means as much as we can simplify, as much as we can make it simple. Okay, now what is the HCF for 60 and 72? HCF. How you are going to find the HCF? HCF? See, if you know, if you want to solve ratio and proportion, तो HCF तो आना चाहिए ना? This you have already, I think you have done in class 5. Okay, no issue, नहीं आता है तो I'll tell you. HCF कैसे find करते हैं? Highest common factor, a number which is highly common, means highest number in 60 and 72. Okay, this process, you know, we are drawing this line, we are writing 60 and 70. That is, by this solve it and tell me what is the HCF. Yes. 2 की टेबल, हाँ, do it. It's easy. I told you ना, even number है, 2 से divide करो. Read the table of 2. 2 3s are 6. Two 3s are 6 हुआ simplify. So what you have written? 30 you have written. 30 you have written. Now 72 पे आओ. 2 से divide. We will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. No issue. देखो, what happens simply when we do the HCF, division आता है ना आपको? Division solve करना आता है? I forget your name. Please tell your name again. Dear. Yamna. Okay. So see, division to unit.